In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you format an SD card here on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is swipe down from the top, just like so. Brings up this menu. Now you're going to swipe over, just like that. And then you're going to tap on Preferences. All right, so we're on Preferences here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom to Reset. Once you click on Reset, you'll see right there on the very top, it says Format SD Card. So then you'll just tap on that, and then it asks you to delete all files and reformat your SD card. So you can just reformat just like that, or you can hit cancel if you want, if you change your mind. But that's the easy peasy way of how to format your SD card on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. If this video was helpful, go ahead and throw a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.